in order to display the contents of an SQL table, let me create the next function. So start with the def followed by name of the function show table document string. Okay, now first you should establish a connection between Python and MySQL. For that you can copy paste this statement, no change. Now after that you should retrieve all the rows from the table student, and for that you can copy paste maybe these two. I'll make the change. So here the statement is select star from student semicolon. Now here you know it is not runtime entity, so you don't need this, and execute statement contains only one argument. Now the statement select star from student is executed. All the rows are there in the computer's memory known by the name context area. Now you retrieve all the rows. There is a function by the name fetch all. It's a function of the cursor object. So cursor dot fetch all. The answer can be stored in a variable R. So R contains all the rows. Now you can display R in the computer's monitor, and once the use is over, you should close the connection. Okay. Now the last function to display the details of all the students who got distinction. So let me copy paste this function. Let me change the name of the function. And here the only change is select star from student where marks greater than or equal to 75. So maybe you can break this SQL statement backward slash and you can continue here. Okay, so this is the only change. So now R contains all the rows where marks is greater than or equal to 75, and the details of students who got distinction displayed in the computer's monitor. Okay, so this function displays all the rows present in the table student, and this function displays only students who got distinction. That rows are displayed in the computer's monitor. Now you are in a position to write the main function, and main function will be explained in the next video tutor.